My mom almost ripped my ear off. Yeah, this is not a clickbait, and it all started with a fever. I was lying in bed, feeling like my head was buffering, every joint in my body was screaming, and my vision kept blurring, and honestly, I wasn't even sure I could survive the day without a dramatic flare. That's when my mom entered nurse mode. If you're a Filipino, you know what that means. No medical degree, but unshakable confidence that she knows exactly what's best for me, even if she's clearly improvising. She brought a towel, some water, and the kind of concern that somehow always hurts. She started off gently, wiping my face, my forehead, my neck. Her touch was soft, loving, wholesome. I was relaxing. I thought, okay, maybe today won't be terrible. Maybe I'll survive this fever without incident. Big mistake. Big mistake. Because then she reached my ear. Now, here's the thing. A few months earlier, I had gotten a helix piercing. The kind that screams, rebellious, edgy, don't touch me. Oh, I had survived the piercing procedure, the market walk where I protected my ear like it was the crown jewels, and the gossip from half the school wanting to copy me. I was basically a trendsetter, but apparently, trendsetting and surviving a fever don't mix. Or maybe surviving my mom. Her towel had a loose thread, one single innocent looking thread, one thread that had absolutely no respect for my existence. And as she wiped my ear, it snagged on my piercing. Oh, I felt it. And in that moment, the world slowed down. My brain went on strike, birds stopped chirping, the universe paused, and I screamed, a high pitched one. Panic. That would haunt my dreams forever. Blood, a little enough to make me question if I was going to be one eared from now on. I flailed, my mom panicked, the towel flew, the piercing swayed, and somehow in the chaos, the moment froze in time, like a low budget action scene. Luckily, it didn't tear all the way through. My ear survived, hanging on by the sheer stubbornness. It was like a tiny anime villain scarred, but still plotting revenge. And then a twist. I expected my mom to apologize, to comfort me, to acknowledge the trauma she had just caused. Nope. She looked at me, sighed deeply, and said, "This is why you shouldn't get those things." I was bleeding, and she was offended? The emotional toll, massive. The physical toll, minimal. Thank goodness. But let's not underestimate the trauma of nearly losing your ear to a maternal love. For the rest of that week, every time she came near me with a towel, I flinched, I dodged, I strategized, and I even contemplated moving out permanently just to avoid another ear related incident. To this day, my ear is fine, the piercing healed, the scar faded, but the memory, oh, the memory lingers. The near death experience caused by a towel in a mother's love is forever etched in my brain. More of the story? If you're sick, cut your piercings like your life depends on it. Because sometimes, it's not the fever that almost takes you out, it's the towel. If you enjoyed watching me almost lose an ear, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What's the most dramatic thing your mom has ever done? See you in the next story time!